To the channel. I tell you, they got some nice spots over here in the city. That's one thing about New York. If you come to visit, it's definitely a city you will never be bored in. Whether you like to drink, whether you like laughter, whether you like any kind of entertainment, it's here. But I hung out with my sister Vicky last night. We weren't doing much. We were just in the car, chilling and talking. But those times be our best times, our best laughs, as we be talking about everything. I went to Trader Joe's to get a couple of groceries. I also ordered some groceries online for Amazon. I'm happy I came outside because it really is nice. Not too cold, not too warm, just right. I stopped at Popeyes because they got the favorite fives, or the $5 faves. That's what it's called. My chicken is turned. So I know husband loves their chicken wraps, so that's what I got for him. He made this seasoned rice. When I tell y'all, get you a Jamaican man. That's all I can say. All the things y'all hear about Jamaican men, how they abusive and all of these different things, that's a lie. That's a lie. You have a lot of men of all cultures that can be abusive. But I don't like when they stereotype one type of person. But get you a Jamaican man. Nope. I see a dog, so your girl is turning around. I sure did do a U-turn. I'm done with myself. But yeah. Alright, so talk to y'all when I get upstairs. Well, I've been back home. Ate my food. About to have a green juice, because you know I was juicing. Zion says hi. And I'm about to watch a series on Netflix called Hers. I don't know if y'all heard of it, but I'm going to start it out and I will get back to y'all to let y'all know what is what. Today is Sunday. It is chill vibe day. So that's what I'll be doing. On the couch, Netflix and chill. I watched up until, I'm going to say, the 4th episode. It's alright. It's not nothing to go run and watch. But if you want a little mediocre suspicion, it ain't nothing crazy. I kind of feel like I know who did the murder, but I'm not really interested. It didn't draw me in. So right now I had some extra, like kale and spinach and all of those things that I wanted to juice. So that's what I'm doing right now to just finish up before the night ends. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Y'all, I really gotta get a tripod, a new one. Because holding the phone, like when I'm trying to do things, is like... Me and my people be rolling. All come down in the Hummer, baby. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, you know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. So I'm finally done. This is the big jug that I made. Fully green. And I believe that's kale, spinach, cucumber, celery, what else? Ginger, peppermint, lemon. Yeah, all of that good stuff. So now I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it in the fridge and I will probably fill some containers later on. And yeah, that'll be that. And I'm gonna go to my bed. Well, I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna go watch Boo Boo Kitty's vlog. That's my girl. And then I'm gonna go to bed. And I'm gonna edit while I do that. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Love you. So my Amazon order, Amazon fresh order is here.
Why did you buy 29 stuff?
And my husband says, send Zion downstairs to get the package. I said, babe, it's 29 items.
And then he said, what?
He said, you ordered 29 things. Oh, God. All right, y'all. Let me get my groceries. I love y'all. I see y'all in the next vlog.